Hello there, I'm Roger Webb and welcome to my channel. And today I would like to give my viewers something back. And that is a 5% discount across the board on all of the Carveco products. It doesn't matter whether you have a very small little kit CNC router, a mid-size CNC router, or a mill, or over the back there, a lathe. Carveco will produce the artwork and the G-codes for all this equipment. In the Carveco range, there are three products. That's Carveco Maker, Carveco Maker Plus, and Carveco the main professional program. Carveco Maker has been produced for the hobbyists, but nonetheless it is still a very, very powerful program. With all of these programs, over 600 ready-made 3D reliefs come with the program at no extra cost. Carveco Maker, you can take any of these 3D reliefs and put multiple reliefs into one project and combine 3D artwork and 2.5D or 2D artwork such as V-bit carving to make signs or other great projects like that. You can also import any ready-made 3D files like STL files to do artwork in your projects. Carveco Maker Plus is a more advanced program. It is set halfway between the professional program and Maker, hence Maker Plus. Within this program, you can actually construct, make, manufacture your own 3D reliefs. You have 3D modeling tools. That's a great advantage for those of you who want to create your own 3D objects. And then of course there is the professional program. This is really geared towards the professional shop. The Carveco programs have a variety of avenues and ways that you can either lease monthly, yearly, or buy outright. And don't forget, I will leave you a 5% discount across the board. That's even for the professional one. You get 5% discount. I will leave a discount code in the video description area underneath this video for you to go and claim your 5%. And don't forget, it doesn't matter what plan you choose, whether it is monthly, yearly, or buy outright. You still get the 5% off. So if you want to create 3D artwork such as this, there is no better program than Carveco. Any one of the programs will actually create the toolpaths for this. And they will also create the toolpaths in hundreds of different post processors. Carveco can create G-code files for all CNC operated machinery such as these. Even the big professional machines like Haas, Tormac, they all understand one form of G-code. So go and claim your 5% discount across the board of one of the Carveco products.